Welcome to the Regio1st Planning Framework tutorial series. I'm George and I'm going to present you the Participatory Priorities Ranking tool, one of the tools in the Regio1st Planning Framework. This tool assists planners in implementing the third stage of the planning framework in defining and prioritizing energy and climate priorities at the regional level. The PPR tool bridges the gap in current planning approaches, ensuring broader support and successful implementation of sustainable strategies while considering the energy efficiency first principle. Its structure promotes multi-level governance, facilitates participatory decision-making processes, and is flexible enough to be relevant in the diverse planning contexts of EU regions. To meet these fundamental requirements, the tool uses a multi-criteria decision-making method to rank priorities based on 4 criteria. Stakeholders can collaboratively weigh the significance of each criterion and evaluate priorities accordingly. The PPR tool follows the methodology outlined below to extract, evaluate, and rank regional priorities. There are 4 consecutive steps. To begin, the regional authority and planners should select the priorities for the regional energy and climate plan. Next, in step 2, the importance of the evaluation criteria needs to be determined by the decision makers so that priorities in regional and local energy planning can be ranked. Step 3 involves a participatory approach, engaging all stakeholders and citizens in the planning process. Each selected priority must be evaluated based on the designated criteria. The tool's flexible architecture allows inputs from various participatory methods and tools to foster engagement and inclusivity. In the final step, the tool's algorithm calculates its priority score, and the final priorities ranking is presented in a bar chart. By using this transparent framework, the PPR tool enables the consideration of diverse perspectives and expertise, ensuring a robust evaluation and ranking of priorities. As a result, the final ranking of priorities is comprehensive, accurate, and enjoys broad support, enhancing the likelihood of successfully implementing the respective actions that emerge. An example of how to use the tool is available in the respective tab within the tool. Thank you for watching the tutorial on the Participatory Priorities Ranking tool. For more information and resources, visit our website and explore the other tools available in the Regio1st Planning Framework.